Hey y'all, it's Jamila. I'm back with another, well, this one is less of a tutorial and more of a show and tell. I do walk you through all the steps I took to get the results that I got, but you've seen this before. You've seen me do tumblers before. I did have a little bit of trouble with my seam on this video, but it still turned out amazing. Make sure you watch to the end so you can see them actually glow in the dark. Before we get started, make sure you hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and like this video and drop me a comment below. I try to answer all of my comments. All right, let's get into it. So we need our tumbler. This one's blue. Our print, and I already have the edge cut here. We need the shrink wrap, our heat tape, and make sure your air fryer is preheated. Take your tumbler out of the box, and you want to hit it with your lint roller just to make sure that there's no fibers or dust on it. And these ones have a sticker on the bottom that I like to take off because I don't want it to melt to my tumbler. I'm going to cut this side down just a little bit. And I'm not cutting it right up against the color, just really, really close to the color. And I'm going to line this up, put it right in the middle. I tape down the top or the bottom a little bit, and then I just kind of run my finger or my hand across it, and then take another piece of tape. Make sure you're going in the direction that you wrapped, and you want to wrap that really tight. If you pull the tape as you go, it just kind of folds over the edge. I know it seems like an excessive amount of tape, but you don't want any lifting. And do the same thing at the top. Make sure your tape is nice and flat. And then pop it in your air fryer at 400 for, I use 5.5 minutes. I ended up not using the shrink wrap, but I put all three on the same basket laying down, and then I'll turn them about halfway through. So here are our tumblers on our air fry basket. I'm gonna go ahead and start pulling off the tape. I don't think this tape is very good that I got because the heat caused it to lift up. Makes it really easy to remove, but I don't know what it does to our design. Let's find out. And if you're gonna warm peel, you want to make sure that you have heat gloves because this is very, very hot. I missed my seam a little bit here, but all in all, it's very good. So the moment of truth is going to be how it looks when it glows. These turned out awesome. I will link below where to get these tumblers. It's kind of hard to take a glow in the dark video on the inside. I'm assuming you might need some other equipment, but you get the idea of how they look. Check out the blog post if you want to see actual images of how these cups turned out. Thanks for watching.